Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you boys? Now today we start. This is our topic. Long sound of vowel I. Open your book, page number 52. Okay. Now here find the word with each different ending. Here I, ein, here I. Here I, and here at the end come E. Then sound I become long, and after I come gh, then also sound I become long. Okay, look here: bite, line, shine, night, ride, and kite. Okay, here these words, all words have long vowel I sound. Okay, now which word above rhyme with bite? Look, bite, kite, night, right, line, shine. Okay, these words are rhyme words. How do you spell these three words? Right, light, nine. Okay, these also long vowel sound. Now here this is poem. You read this poem and check which are the long vowel I sound. Look here. Red sky. Look this sound I. Long I. Okay. At night. Look this is long because after I come gh. Night. Sailors delight. Here again I long sound. Red sky in the morning. Sailors warning. Okay. Now boys, here you can some words they are same sound like here y at the end, here long I sound. Now I make a sheet. Also we will study this in our reading class. Now I discuss this here. Then you find the difference between short I sound and long I sound. Now come on, look here. This is short I sound. Look, sit, sight, bit, bite, fit, fight, lit, light, lick, like, dim, dine, div, dive, lean, line, tin, time, hid, hide, tit, tide, mick, mic. This where here only come e, and here come e. Here there is no e. If not e, then it is short sound. When here come e, then it become long sound. Okay. Now after I come gh no sound. It is silent, but sound I become long. Look here. Ha, I, high, light, light, bright, bright, night, night, fright, fright, sight, sight, tight, tight, might, might, right, right, flight, flight, stight, stight, blight, blight. Okay. Now any word where after I come gh sound become long. Now when at the end one syllable words and at the end come y, then its sound is long I. Buy, my, cry, dry, fry, pry, fly, fly, sty, y. And also this is at the end y, then also come I, then e, lie, die. Okay, you must be revise these sounds. These are all long I sound, and this is short. What is short sound? A. And long I. Same sound I. Okay, sit A. Sit, sit, and sight. I long sound, and this is short sound. Okay, now you understand this the difference between short vowel I sound and long vowel I sound. Okay, boys. Now see you later. Assalamu alaikum.